guys, welcome to the vlog. So we're on a yacht. Here's Ben. Ben, what do you have to say?
It's a bit warm.
It's a bit warm.
It's a bit warm.
What are you drinking?
Squash.
Wow. Yummy. Oh, I'm stuck. Okay.
We are 1.7.
Down here, some steps. And here's Amelie.
Old instruments on.
Amelie's ill.
Amelie's ill. She's not feeling quite well. Here's Kate.
I recommend the showers here. So
I
just washed my hair off the back of the boat.
I was gonna say I don't recommend the normal showers.
No.
Here's
So we're
Leo.
still 50 minutes
Yo.
Classic.
Robin.
We're, 3 gusting
This is
4
what-
at the
this is
moment. It's a bit, a bit shy.
Your camera.
No, it's still recording.
Okay, cool.
Is that right here, right in the Solent?
Gonna turn on the instruments, Bosch,
Wow.
and the radio. Do you wanna do a quick radio check?
Can I see the screen? Oh, there we go. Radio check.
Hold on. Pending.
Kate.
Oh, making lunch.
Yeah.
What have we got for lunch?
We got frothy schlong.
Okay.
And some more.
Do you want a radio check?
Radio check. I don't want a radio.
check.
I get scared radio checking.
Radio check.
Radio check. Radio check. Oh, we're gonna play that one night. Okay, tonight we're playing some drinking games.
Radio check.
Vlog everyone.
Turn it up. Here we go now. Who the fuck?
So we're pulling out the marina at a high speed of about less than a knot, and we got the tunes playing. We left a bit early. Thanks. We're a bit keen, so left a bit early. Yeah, and we got at the moment 30 centimeters allowance, so we're gonna go very slow, and water's gonna rise.
Global the tide is coming in.
Global warming.
Yeah, it's hot today. Water coming in hot.
The ice caps are all gonna melt.
Right, to the bow, I reckon. Yeah. You got a video hoisting the main.
Yeah.
That, you get the guns out for that.
Vlog over. Completed. The speedo is a bit clogged up, so we need to unclog it.
And in order to do that, we need to make a hole in the boat.
Right. Well, so this is the bottom of the boat, right? The left one here is the speedo, and yeah, basically it's just a hole in the boat. So we need to.
the right one?
I think that's the depth sounder. So got a nice toothbrush here. So what we're gonna plan is, right? Oh shit!
She'll get a light for the audience.
So I reckon they'll be okay. Okay. Oh yeah, good. So plan is we need to take this one out, then put that's like a plug in, so we don't completely sink, and then give it a little scrub with the toothbrush, and then yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Right, shall I go in dick mode?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, we've lost the screen. Oh, there we go.
Okay, basically. As I pull this out, I'm gonna put that straight in. Well, you put that straight in. Ready? You ready? 3, 2, 1. Good job. Nice. Oh, Jesus. Look at that. That's proper grim.
Yeah, there's some crust on that.
I reckon we might even need a screwdriver.
Right. Well, that's it for now. We'll come back to you with a screwdriver.
We're giving it a clean on.
Yeah, we got some wildlife that have decided to make it their habitat.
It's literally crawling out on the paper. So we're gonna get it spinning and then hopefully should get a reading.
Look at the ganja.
So guys, we now have Leo steering.
He's on the stick.
He's strapped in.
Doing 7.5 knots at the moment.
What's the wind?
Hold on, gas 24, 25. Not quite 25. Oh, 25, 4, 25.
Yeah.
Hold on, 26.
Oh,
Shit. How's the big one? Leo's learning.
It's learning curve.
When the gas comes up. We've got 6.5 miles left, so like just
You've only done 2.
Have we only done 2?
Yeah, because you said it was 8 miles.
Yeah, but we got a lot of tide ripping, and that's why the big chop. Pretty much. That's the story.
Yep.
Just what I would say. So this is us going upwind. It's quite breezy, and I know it's one of my first vlogs, so winding on. Leo's winding on. Oh, that'll do. Leo's got a nice wet patch. Big one. Oh yeah, so these are our safety lines. So that's for when Leo falls over the boat. We can just yeah. Keep your leash. We're keeping Leo. We're not letting him anywhere near the edges because you can't fall over if you're not near the edge. But yeah, so therefore when you fall overboard, you get waterboarded and die a quicker death.
Yeah, surely that's more dangerous than dragged out by...
No, because if it's really wavy, you won't be able to see them. You can't even see her. Also, no, you won't get waterboarded. Ready, about? Turning. Ready? Your handle, sir. I bet you they win Robin. Wait, Robin, keep doing it.
Yeah.
Put it back in. Don't put that icon of a man right there. We're going up. Going up. Brave the elements. It's not even that windy. Actually, we've got to make it out of the camera like it is. It's quite fucking windy, mate. It's insane! Dude, I'm stuck. Help me. What are you playing at? Dude, you've got me. Anyway, so as I was saying earlier, our safety device is being a bit annoying. Did you just swap us over? No, I just travelled it along. Oh! Woo! Big one! Oh my!
I think we hang it. Oh, it's actually broken.
No, look here. Got a bit.
I'm gonna put it somewhere. What?
That wasn't very smooth.
No.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I put this here the other day. And
Years ago.
Yeah, like last year, and someone took it down. Anyway, we're doing a vlog. So, Ben is fishing back here. with his massive long rod.
Isn't it huge?
It's huge. Leo's steering.
350.
Oh.
Yeah, you're right.
Woo!
Fish on!
And we've got a bit of darkness coming in.
We do actually.
Wait, actually?
But apart from that,
Oh, I nearly tried.
all good.
Oh, okay, well, there's 350.
Yeah. Compares not.
So, we're going to enter the harbour, and there's a lot of people in the harbour that decide it's fun to catch little sea creatures they call lobsters from the bottom. And what they do is they put them in pots. But the difficulty for us is that if we run over said pot, then we can't use the engine. So the job is to make sure we don't run over any pots.
With eyes and ears.
With eyes. So how that works is we see a pot, and if we're going to run it over,
We scream.
and eventually Leo would do something to make us not run over the pot.
Although he doesn't have a good track record, does he?
No.
Although, no, we've not hit any pots so far, but...
Right, so here with Leo, going for the swing of doom. It's quite far away because I don't want to get hit by a boat. Okay, it's getting closer now, I'm getting a bit worried.
So much better.
Good swing, good scream.
So we don't have a diving contest here. You're just warming up the calves. Calf raisers. Okay, are we ready for a dive? Oh no, let's go, quick.
Quick, 3, 2, 1.
Radio.
Righty.
Bombs away!
I try to make my dive. In 3.
Oh, bit of splash there, over rotation. Oh, beautiful! Oh, where's he gone? Oh no, here comes the monster.
Hold on, I'm going to swim under the boat. It's like a...
With the camera?
No, you won't see anything.
Yeah, I opened my eyes in the water. Yeah, with the penis cam in the river. Oi, you held my trousers.
Wait, did you just climb onto the boat?
Wait, hang on, it's on my wrist. No, it's not. Don't lose it. It's upside down.
Should we go under the boat?
Wait, Robin, I'll come with you. Get your wrist.
Yeah. Alright, 3, 2. Wait, we'll film you like National Geographic. Here we have a robin in his natural habitat, about to swim under his yacht. He is a true yachtsman now. Well, I went to breathe and he kicked me. I went to breathe and he kicked. Alright, fuck it, we'll just go.